This video is a quick demo to show how to install the Sidekick. If you're in Chrome, bring up the Chrome App Store, follow this link, which will be provided in the description below. Hit Add to Chrome. These permissions are so that I can send the troop counts. Click Add Extension. You should see the little calculator icon show up. If you've already installed it and it's not working, you can bring up the extension page and make sure that this is turned on and that you see the Sidekick at all. Once you're back in the game, just refresh the page. The Sidekick should show up here on the right. The first time you run it, it might look like this, in which case just click the text to bring it up. Another possible problem is if your screen resolution is set really low, your page might be large enough so you can't see the Sidekick on your screen, in which case hit Control and minus to set the zoom level of the page until you can see the tool. That's also under the menu here. Finally, if you haven't had any notifications with your character name in it, it may not recognize what alliance you're in which case just send out a caravan, wait till the notification shows up, refresh the page, and you should be able to use the tool. Finally, to send the troop counts, go to your army page, and you should see a new button that says Submit Troop Count. You need to do that for all of your cities. Next, I'll show how to install the Sidekick in Firefox. Go to the Mozilla add-in store, follow the link that'll be down in the description, click Add to Firefox. These permissions are so that I can send the troop counts. Hit Add. You can later check your add-ons and make sure that you have the Sidekick and that it's not disabled. If it's disabled, it'll be grayed out and you'll have an enable button instead of a disable button. Now go to the game page and reload, and you should see the Sidekick here. As with Chrome, there's a chance that it'll start like that, in which case just click there. As with Chrome, you may have to set the zoom level, which is also in the menu here. And just like in Chrome, you should now have a Submit to Account Troop Count button, and you need to do that for all of your cities. Same with the notification problem. If your name's not in the notification list, just it may not recognize the alliance that you're in. If so, just send out a caravan or something, and once the notification shows up, reload. That's it.